Hazrat Shabi says, the evidence of the followers of one religion is not valid for the followers of any other religion for Allah. The Exalted says, so we have caused enmity and hatred among themselves. Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 14. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do not verify the people of the book nor falsify them, but say, we believe in Allah and what has been sent down towards us. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 136. Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, O Muslims, how do you ask from the people of the book, whereas your book is the one which has been revealed to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? It is the latest of the news revealed by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, which you recite and is free of any distortion. Verily Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has told you that the people of book have changed what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has written and altered the book with their hands and said, this is revealed by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, so as to earn mean price. Have you not been forbidden to ask them about the knowledge which has come to you? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we did not see any one of them who asked you about what has been sent down on you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2685.